How to create a Tahweel account. So to create an account on Tahweel, all you have to do is first of all open up your Play Store, and then on the search bar search for Tahweel, and then make sure to install this app. And after installing the app, you will have open option. Tap on open. So now to create an account, you have to tap on don't have an account yet, and then to create, you need to have 3 documents. The first one is you need to have your national ID card, and or you can also have IQAMA. And then on the second step, you need to have your Tahweel remittance card or your payment card or salary card. And on the third step, you will have to have access to a registered mobile. And if you have all these documents, then you can tap on continue. And here it is the first step. So here you need to have your ID number, and then your card number, and then your PIN code. And after entering all of this, you can simply tap on I agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can tap on continue, which is on the bottom corner. And on the second step, you need to have to enter your remittance card number, and or you can also enter your salary card. And on the third step, you need to register your mobile number. And after doing all of these steps, you can simply tap on continue. And that's it, guys. That's how you create your Tahweel account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.